How to swap tokens on Phantom Wallet. Now first of all, make sure you are logged into your Phantom Wallet. Now after that, tap on the latest icon in the bottom bar. Now tap on it. Now after that, make sure to select, so I will go back to the first place. Sorry for that. I'll just go back. Now after you tap on the last icon in the bottom bar, now as you can see we have trading tokens. Now if you can tap on see more. Now after that, after you select the token that you want to swap, now tap on it. And after that, as you can see, we have the swap option. Now tap on it. Now as you can see, we can now swap that token. So for that, we can swap Dave to Sol. So if you want the Dave from first, now tap on the switch, and now it will become Dave first. Now enter how much of Dave that you want to swap. And as you can see, if you wait a few seconds, you will see how much you will receive of Sol Lana. Now if you are ready to go, now just you will tap on swap. Because I don't have funds, I will just tap on swap, and now you can swap tokens on Phantom Wallet. So this is how to swap tokens on Phantom Wallet. Thanks for watching, and if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.